Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is John from Scouts Pest Control. Okay, in today's video guys, this is for any of you that are realtors or anybody who is selling a home or anybody who's buying a home. These are really important things to look for, and what you're going to see in this video when I hand over to Kenny, who is under another crawl space. You're going to see some of the problems that he comes up with, he comes up against every day. And these problems are problems that are often overlooked. And what can happen is that when you overlook these issues, it can really get exacerbated, and you may not think there's an issue until it's too late. And before you know it, you have infestations of wood damaging pests such as termites, ants, etc., etc. But the worst thing is that the dampness and the mold and the wood decay that you get under there, because most people don't look under their crawl space, and a lot of realtors actually miss this out as well. And if you're going to sell a home and you have neglected that crawl space, you may run into a problem. So I'm going to hand it right over to Kenny. Kenny's going to explain what he sees and what he finds, and then at the end you'll come back to me. Have a great day guys, and enjoy. Over to Kenny.
Alright, we got another crawl space here. Just received a little bit of rain the other day, and you can see where it's been getting wet and coming through everywhere. Right. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out. That's the only thing that's going to do that. And it's no coincidence that you could see right where the exterior grade is, just by the color of the brick. Below grade and above grade. We got water coming in, obviously getting trapped in a few areas here. Coming all down that corner, it's getting trapped in the corners. Coming in. A porch or something there. It's dry right there. Oh, then that's definitely not dry. Right. Definitely not dry over there. This is the concerning part though. Somebody has put in a dehumidifier on all kinds of extension cords, and it's just screaming dangerous, but to make you think that it's dry in here, but it's not. We're about to get 2 to 3 inches of rain tomorrow, and you're not going to be able to hide that. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, welcome back. Well, you just seen Kenny under the crawl space there, and that was very interesting. But here's the most important aspect of that you should learn. The dehumidifier piece. I mean, really a dehumidifier that is set for crawl space has to be the right dehumidifier, and you can't have wires and power sources lying everywhere. I mean, that is just waiting for an accident or a disaster to occur. So here's the thing guys, you can either get your crawl space inspected now and get a job done right, or of course you can look at just getting anybody in, and not everybody actually knows what they're talking about. Companies over there, and we've been called into many different houses that are owned by realtors, that are owned by businesses and business owners and homes, homeowners who are selling their properties, and find that their crawl space is an absolute disaster, and the company that they hired actually took more shortcuts than is necessary, causing a great deal of problems in terms of moisture and in terms of health, but also opening disasters, possible disasters that are coming up. So what I want you to do guys is click the link below, go below, and if you want to get a free crawl space inspection and get Kenny underneath your crawl space to make sure everything's done right, then click the link below, book with us. Megan will reach out to you, she will book you, or just give us a call. You'll get straight through to Megan, or if she's not available, leave your name and your number and an email address, and we'll get back to you. That's the choice, guys. Get it done right, or get it done cheap, or just don't get it done at all and let your house crumble. So, I hope you've enjoyed it. There'll be lots more coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure that if you've got any questions, you get back to us. We will be happy to answer them. God bless, guys, and stay safe.